Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Happy New Year, guys! In today's video, we are making Brookies or chocolate chip brownies. These are the two same ingredients we are using for today's chocolate chip brownies or our chocolate chip brookies or brookies. So we have a quarter cup of sugar. We also have another quarter cup here and then a quarter cup of brown sugar. We have half tablespoon each of powdered sugar and baking soda. We have half cup of butter. We have plus 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips. We have a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. We have 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of flour. We have our homemade Nutella, which the recipe is linked below, you can check out. We'll be using a couple tablespoons of it for the recipe. We also use 2 eggs, our vanilla essence, toothpick, spare bowls, our cupcake tin. We also use a whisk, cutouts of parchment paper, a scissors, and our chopping board. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To our bowl, I'll add in our chocolate chip and then 1/3 cup of the butter. Then we'll melt it. Now we'll add in the sugar and then combine. We'll add in the egg next, but the mixture is hot, so it has to cool off for about 5 minutes before we can add in the eggs, so that they don't scramble but mix in nicely. Now we'll add in half cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and then we'll mix. The flour has already been sifted, so we won't sift it here. If you followed me for long, you know that I don't use raw flour like that. I sift it before I put it into all my baked goods. And just like that, we've made our chocolate brownie batter. So I'm going to set it aside. To our bowl, we'll add our butter and the sugar. So add in some vanilla. Then we'll combine everything together until light, airy and fluffy. I will add in the egg. Then combine everything together. I will add in the flour, baking soda and salt. Then I'll combine with the spatula until a cookie dough is formed.
Now we'll add in some of the chocolate chips and then we'll continue mixing till we obtain the cookie dough. So obtaining the cookie dough, it shouldn't be sticky like this. It should rather be like this. We'll set it aside and then we'll start working on our cupcake liners. I'll pick 2 pieces of parchment paper cutouts, fold them onto themselves, create a crease, and then fold them like this as well and create a crease. Now with the 4 joints that we've made, we are going to cut them through with the scissors. This is how they look like. Now into our cupcake tin, I'll place them in and then push them down like so. So there will be something like this in there. But before we line them, so this is how they look like. I'm going to set it aside and then we'll pick our brownie batter. It has solidified just like how we want it to be. And it's normal. So we are going to start using our spoon here to fetch it and then we place it into the lined tins. We'll do this for all 12. This is how they look like. I'm going to use our spatula here to create kind of a hole in the middle. So I'll do this for all the 12. This is how they look like. This is where the Nutella we made comes in. So we'll use a spoon and then we'll start fetching. And then we'll pour it in. We are pouring it into the holes that we made. And this is how they look like. Now we are going to set it aside and then we'll pick our cookie dough. Then I will stir it slightly and then I'll fetch some into my palm, roll it into a ball. I'll add just a little, press it down and then place it on top. I'll scoop again, roll it, press it down, then place it on top. We'll do this for all 12. So this is how all 12 look like. We are going to decorate the tops with some chocolate chips. And this is how they all look like. Now we are going to bake them at 160 degrees for 15 to 25 minutes. And this is how they look like after baking. So we are going to let them cool off and then remove them and then place them onto our cooling rack. After 10 to 15 minutes of cooling, we are going to transfer them. So this is how they look like. We are going to unwrap them from the wraps. Now we are going to allow them cool off slightly, and then we'll start serving them. And this is how they look like. Now we are going to serve some onto our plate here. So I'll pick one, we'll place it down, and then we'll use our serrated knife to divide it into two. And this is how it looks like. So we have our soft, chewy chocolate chip cookies, our delicious brownies on the bottom, and then our filling in the middle. Now we are going to store it into our container with the lid. And then we'll cover. And this can be stored in your fridge for up to a month. For a much softer texture, you could leave it just like seen on the plates on your countertop for up to 2 days.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.